Hey guys, and welcome to another tip in our digital classroom series. And this time it's all about Christmas. Well, Christmas this year is going to be terrible, of course, due to all the lockdowns, but still I want to share this tip and maybe it will brighten up your Christmas just a little bit more. Now we all know those images of the Christmas ornaments, right? Those beautiful lit images, those beautiful ornaments, and you really get that Christmas atmosphere, right? But do you know you can do it yourself? Well, my parents of course have a Christmas tree and, of course, with the 1.5 meter distance, I took some images of the Christmas tree with my smartphone. Let's take a little look at the video. Now, during the setup, I'm actually focusing on a few things that can really make your image more interesting and more bright and more joyful, let me put it that way. Now, the thing is, what we love to do in the studio is work with backlighting and contrast, right? But also put materials in front of your lens to create a nice glow or atmospheric effects. Think about that for Christmas. Real cool, right? But why should you edit in Photoshop? Find in the Christmas tree your Christmas light, put it somewhere in the frame that it really shines over everything else, and you do exactly the same as you do in your studio photography. You use your backlighting to create contrast. Now find something shiny, that's not so difficult in the Christmas tree, right? And just combine everything nice with the tree itself. And before you know it, you have some really cool images. Now the reason I shot it with the smartphone is, first of all, of course, to show you guys that you can do it with any camera, but also for another reason. Especially smartphones are very prone for lens flare. And you can see exactly what you do. So when you move this around, and you can also see that in the video when we hold some material in front of the lens, you literally see the lens flare moving around, you see all the sparkles, and the moment you press, well, just like a normal camera, that's the image you're gonna get. So if you are a little bit bored with Christmas because, well, not a lot of people can visit, take out your smartphone or your camera, move up to your Christmas tree and start creating some cool shots. All the shots you are gonna see in the video are shot with my Sony smartphone, edited on the smartphone with the presets I wrote for Lightroom. You can order them in the link below. So it's a very easy process, and maybe you can even use them for stock photography. So enjoy your Christmas, even if it's a little bit different than normal, and be creative. There's never a reason to not be creative. Grab your phone or your camera and start creating some cool images. Thank you so very much for watching, guys. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and smash that like bell like a Christmas bell. See you again next time. Bye, guys. Happy holidays.